Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect a custom domain to Emergent AI in a simple step-by-step process. Begin by opening your Emergent AI dashboard and selecting your project. After your project is ready, click on Deploy. On the next screen, click on Start Deployment. Each new deployment costs 50 credits per month. A confirmation window will appear. Click on Deploy now. The deployment will take around 5 to 7 minutes. When the deployment is complete, go to the Custom Domain section and click on the link domain. A field will appear where you can type the custom domain you want to connect. After entering your domain, you will need to configure your DNS records. You can do this automatically using Entry. Click on Configure with Entry, and a new window will open. Click Continue and enter your email address. You will receive a verification code. Enter the code to verify your email. After the email is verified, Entry will ask you to authorize access to your domain provider. Click on the Authorize button. A new tab will open asking you to allow Entry to manage your DNS settings. Click on Connect. Once you confirm, Entry will automatically configure the DNS records for your domain. After this, the system will begin setting up your domain connection. It may take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to fully propagate. When the setup is complete, your Emergent AI project will be live on your custom domain. Thanks for watching.